Hi, in front of me Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to enable power saving mode on your device. To do it, firstly you need to open control panel, and here you will see power's battery saver mode. By clicking on it, you will enable battery saver, but you can do it in the other way. To find the other way of enabling battery saver mode, just open settings, then scroll down, and here you will see battery. Click on it, and here we see balanced mode and save battery mode. Save battery. By clicking on it, you will enable save battery mode, and of course you have ultra battery saver mode. By clicking on it, all your, as you can see, restricting power consuming activity, restrict background activity, decreasing screen brightness, and switch into the dark mode. And in this way there are 6 apps will be available for you, 3 pre-installed apps, and you can add any 3 other apps. Oh, maybe 6 apps you can add. Okay, yeah, you can add you can use 9 apps in this super power saving mode, and in this mode our device will live 65 hours. So that's it. If you want to exit of this mode, just click on the exit button on the right up corner of the screen, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.